Introducing the plug dock, the perfect place to dock your boat drain plug. Most boaters know that when you pull your boat out of the water, you should pull your drain plug out of your boat. Pulling your plug and draining bilge water helps to keep a boat ship shape, but draining bilge water has also become a crucial part of the effort to limit the spread of aquatic invasive species. And in a growing number of states, laws have been passed requiring drain plugs to be removed from all boats trailered on public roads. But pulling your boat's drain plug creates two questions. Where are you going to store it, and how are you going to remember to put it back in? A plug dock answers both questions. To install your plug dock, find any smooth, flat, clean surface on your boat or trailer. Someplace convenient and someplace you'll notice when you're launching your boat. Peel the backing from the high-quality adhesive and press firmly into place. That's it. And notice, when your plug dock is not storing a plug, it nicely blends with other boat components. There are two plug dock models, each designed to hold a common type of plug, a rubber expandable plug or a metal threaded plug. So this gives you a place to store your plug, but how does a plug dock remind you to put it back in? Most power boats have a safety lanyard designed to stop the engine when removed. The patent-pending plug dock design includes a place to store your removed safety lanyard beneath your drain plug. Storing your safety lanyard in your plug dock provides two layers of assurance that you won't forget your plug. First, the red lanyard is hard to miss, especially if your plug dock is placed somewhere noticeable. Second, your engine won't start with your safety lanyard still sitting beneath your drain plug in your plug dock. Get a plug dock. Help control the spread of aquatic invasive species. Avoid a costly fine where drain plug removal is required by law. Don't lose your plug or forget it at home, and don't sink your boat. Get a plug dock.